Okay, so how to edit your Booking.com extranet account property. So for example, you would like to add a meal plan to your property. So log into your booking and then select your property. So I have select property and click on so here you need to find property again. Click on it and select facilities and services. So here you need to find price for meals if you would like. And for example, you serve breakfast. So click on yes, paste all information here. So here you can edit your information. So like what kind of breakfast you offer. You can select everything here. Yeah. When the breakfast starts and finish, you can select days, for example, every day, from time till time. Yeah. Select price, for example, free. Yeah. Click on add. Yeah. Here we can also remove and change bit if change a little bit if something goes wrong. Okay, so but what to do if you would like to edit your rate plan, what includes breakfast, for example. So here I don't need, so I will exit this menu without saving. And so how to second option, so what may help you. So first of all, you need to click on so rates and availability and select here rate plans. Yes, it's asking save or not. Yes, click on leave page for now. It's just a message for me because I didn't save that what I was showing you. So here are your tariffs. Well, it's my tariffs. As you can see, daily, flexible, and income. And for what I need to know to do now is, for example, I would like to include free breakfast here in this. For example, in 3 days plan. So if people book minimum 3 days stay, they will have free breakfast, for example. So I will select this rate plan, click on edit, and here we need to locate meals. So at the moment we can see that no meals, but we can click on edit and click on yes, add a meal plan, and what you would like to add: breakfast, lunch, dinner, all inclusive. For example, breakfast. Click on save, and free breakfast will be included in this rate plan. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions about Booking Extranet, please comment under this video and I will always answer your question. Have a good day. Bye.